Welcome to Julie Tech. I am glad to meet you. I am Julie Tech presenter. If this is your first time here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss any video. And if you enjoy what you will see, give this video a thumbs up. So this will really help me stay motivated and keep besides creating more content for you for free.
So please hit that subscribe button. It's really helpful. Now let's begin. So while you are here on Capcut, let's create a new project. Okay, our new project is loading. So we come here to import, and we want to import the raw file that has noise in the background. So we drag it into the timeline. So now let me play it so that you can hear the noise. And after we have applied this particular step, we are going to play it again, and then you will compare it with the other one, and you see that the noise is completely gone. So please listen.
For this tutorial, we'll use the max plan. So let's
Do you hear the noise? Okay, so now let us apply this particular tool in Capcut. So make sure that you've selected the video that you want to remove the noise. Then you come here at the top right corner, and then you click on audio. So when you click on audio, you come down, you will see here separate audio. You click on separate audio. Good. Make sure you select this isolate voice, and then you have here keep vocal. Select on the keep vocal and apply. So when you apply, it will start counting up to 100%. And if you come here, you will also see that it is still counting. And if you come here, you see that it is still counting. So before you know, it's gonna be done. Now let's just give it a second. A few moments later, as you can see, it has been completed. So now that it has been completed, let us play the video again so that you hear the sound this time. Please listen.
For this tutorial, we'll use the max plan. So let's get started with the max plan.
Heard that right? Now to know the difference, let us bring back the original here and put it on top. So let me mute this one, and then let's play this one only.
For this tutorial,
Hope you've heard how the original sounds. Okay, so let's play this one. Let's mute this, and then let's unmute this.
For this tutorial,
You've heard the difference, right? Exactly. So what you're going to do next, please subscribe to this channel and put in the comments pane how you feel about this video and what you want me to teach you next. Thank you very much for watching.